Welcome to Amit Erez Photography. In this guide, we'll explore depth of field. What determines how blurry the background is? Change aperture, distance, and focal length. See the difference in real-time f1.4 gives a strong blurred background. f16 keeps everything sharp. For portraits, f1.8, f2.8. For landscapes, f8, f11. 300mm blurs the background far more than 24mm at the same aperture and distance. That's why sports and wildlife photographers love long lenses. The closer you are to the subject, the shallower the DOF. In macro photography, 0.3 em, only a few millimeters are in focus. Small sensor equals very deep depth of field. Smartphone bokeh is computationally simulated, portrait mode. Maximum creamy bokeh, the classic choice for shallow depth of field. Extra wide aperture for shallow DOF and prominent bokeh in low light. Turn any lens into a macro. Great experiment with minimal depth of field. Thanks for watching. For more photography guides, visit amitphotos.com. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly photography content.